Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Head of Scania China, Michel D'Alembert.
你好, and good evening, ladies and gentlemen. The need for significant improvements, transportation efficiency in China. Today, logistic costs are 18% of GDP compared to only 8% in Europe. Catalyzed by the growing demand and accuracy of delivery of e-commerce business, is leading to a consolidation of long-haulage transportation companies in China. These bigger companies, already very efficient, are extremely demanding on uptime, fuel consumption, and mileage per year from 300,000 to 500,000 kilometers per truck. This level of performance is achievable only with European imported trucks, and Scania is highly regarded in this segment. The bargaining power of these growing customers is obliging Scania to work even harder on the cost side of our products. And the sustainable level of cost for the future is probably reachable only through some localization of our production in China. Thank you very much, and have a nice evening.